last letter of alphabets. What is that letter? Yes, that is small letter Z. Today I am going to teach you small letter Z. Z is the last letter of alphabets. In previous video we did Y. Small letter Y. Today I will teach you how to write small letter Z. These two are blue lines. Small letter Z also we have to write in blue lines. Now see how to write small letter Z. First what we have to do? First we have to make one sleeping line like this. Okay. Now we have to make one slanting line like this. Then we have to make another sleeping line like this. This is called small letter Z. It is easy to write small letter Z. See here again. First what we have to do? We have to make one sleeping line like this. Okay? And then one slanting line like this. Okay? First we have to make one sleeping line and then slanting line. And then again we have to make one sleeping line like this. This is called small letter Z. Z we have to write in blue lines. Again see here. First we have to make one sleeping line, then slanting line and then sleeping line. This is called small letter Z. You have to make two lines. That is, one is sleeping and another is slanting. Again you have to see. First you have to make one sleeping line, then slanting line, and then again you have to make one sleeping line. Which letter is this? This is small letter Z. Again we have to see here. First what we have to do? Sleeping, slanting and then sleeping. This is called small letter Z. Z for zip. Again sleeping, slanting and then sleeping. You have to write small letter Z in blue line. You have to touch the bottom line. Okay. Now again you have to see sleeping, slanting and then sleeping. This is small letter Z. Again we have to see here. Sleeping line, then slanting line like this. And then we have to make one another sleeping line. This is called small letter Z. Z for zip and Z for zigzag. Okay. Z for zip, Z for zigzag. It is simple to write small letter Z. You have to do practice of small letter Z at your home. We completed our small letter A to Z. Now we will see how to write small letter A to Z. So small letter A we have to write in this two blue lines. Now see how to write small letter A. First we have to make C and then we have to make K. This is called small letter A. Now A after B. So we have to write B, red line to blue line. Now small letter C. After B which letter come? That is C. C we have to write in this blue line. Now after C which letter will come? That is D. And D we have to write from red line to blue line. In D first we have to make curve and then standing line. And in B first we have to make one standing line and then curve. We have to write 4 letters in one line only. Now after D which letter will come? Yes, that is small letter E. First we have to make one sleeping line and then we have to make C. This is called small letter E. Now which letter come after E? Yes, that is small letter F. And F blue line. First we have to make a curve and then we have to make one standing line and then we have to make a sleeping line. Now which letter come after F? Yes, that is letter G. G we have to write in blue line to red line. First we have to make a curve, standing line and then curve, blue line to red line. Now which letter will come after G? Yes, that is small letter H. First we have to make standing line and then we have to make curve. Now which letter come after H? Yes, small letter I, and that we have to write in blue lines, small letter I. Now after I which letter will come? That is small letter J, blue line to red line. Now which letter will come after J? Yes, that is small letter K, red line to blue line. We have to write small letter K. First we have to make one standing line and then two slanting line that we have to make in this blue line only. Now which letter come after K? That is small letter L, red line to blue line. Now which letter will come? That is M. After L which letter will come? That is M. First we have to make one standing line, then curve and then curve. This is called small letter M and we have to write in blue line only. Now after M which letter will come? That is N. And also we have to write in blue line. Now which letter will come after N? That is small letter O. Now after O which letter will come? Yes, small letter P. We have to start from this blue line to red line. We have to make one standing line and we have to make curve in this blue line. Small letter P. Now after P which letter will come? Yes, that is small letter Q. So Q we have to write in this blue line to red line. First we have to make a curve, then standing line and then slanting line. Now which letter will come after Q? Yes, that is R. R we have to write in blue line. Now which letter will come after R? That is S. S also we have to write in blue line only. Now which letter will come after S? Yes, small letter T. T we have to start from red line to blue line. Now which letter will come after T? Yes, small letter U. How to make U? First we have to make one standing line, then curve and then little curve like this, and we have to write small letter U. In which line? Yes, blue line only. Now which letter will come after U? Yes, that is small letter V. V. Where we have to write V? Yes, here in this two blue line only. Now which letter will come after V? W. W also we have to write in blue lines. First we have to make one standing line, then curve, then again standing line and then. Now which letter will come after W? U, V, W. Now which letter come? Yes, very good. X. First we have to make one slanting line and then another slanting line. Yes, this is called small letter X. Now which letter will come after X? That is Y. So we have to write small letter Y, blue line to red line. Now last letter is Z. How to write Z? Slipping, slanting, slipping, and we have to write small letter Z in blue line. See, have a look. Small letter A we have to write in blue line. Small letter B we have to start from red line to blue line. First we have to make standing line and then curve. Small letter C we have to write in blue line. Small letter D we have to start from red to blue. First we have to make curve and then standing line. Small letter E we have to write in blue line. F start from red to blue. G, we have to start from blue to red. Now small letter H, we have to start from red to blue. Now small letter I, we have to write in blue lines only. Small letter J, we have to start from blue line to red line. Small letter K, we have to start from red line to blue line. Small letter L, red line to blue line. M, we have to write in blue line only. N also we have to write in blue line. O also we have to write in blue line. P, small letter P, we have to start from blue line to red line. Now small letter Q, we have to start from blue line to red line. Small letter R, only in blue line. S also we have to write in blue line. T, start from red line to blue line. Now small letter U, we have to write in blue line. V in blue line. W also we have to write in blue line. X also we have to write in blue lines only. Small letter Y, start from blue line to red line. And small letter Z, we have to write in blue lines only. I hope you understand how to write small letter A to Z. So take care of the lines, pattern, and you have to write four letters in one line. So please follow this pattern. Have a nice day. Bye.